Hi there, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about gift cards, and this is an amazing feature. If you're not using this feature yet, you are absolutely leaving money on the table, and I will tell you why and then show you how to use it on your Bumper web app. Now, first of all, what's a gift card? So basically, a gift card is a prepaid card that holds a certain amount of money which someone can use to shop on your store. So instead of paying with cash or transfer, the buyer uses the gift card to cover the purchase. So think about it this way: someone wants to buy a gift for a friend, but they're not sure what to get for them. So instead of guessing, they can just buy a gift card from your store. You send it to the celebrant, and then the celebrant or the friend comes and then buys exactly what they want from your store. Now, why is this great for your business? Now, the first thing is that it always brings in new customers. So when someone receives a gift card to your store, they probably have not heard of you before, but now they have a reason to visit your store, to browse and to buy, and that's a brand new customer. And then secondly, you get paid upfront. So the person who buys the gift card will pay you even before any product leaves your store. Also, people would mostly spend more than the gift card value, especially if it's not that high. So for example, if someone gifts someone a gift card of 10,000 naira, they may end up spending like 15 to 20k because they want to add more things to the store, or maybe the 10k doesn't cover what they want to buy. Automatically you're making more money. And then finally, it's a great tool for celebrations, for seasonal moments. So Valentine's Day, birthdays, Christmas, Mother's Day, gift cards are one of the easiest things to sell during this period because people would always need a last minute gift that feels thoughtful. And with a gift card, someone can just pick exactly what they want, and someone doesn't have to guess what they want or guess wrong. So now to set up a gift card on your Bumper web app is very simple. Navigate to the menu option on the left and go to extensions and then click on gift cards. Now on the dashboard here, you're going to see all the gift cards that you've created, the ones that are active, the ones that have expired, and the ones you have issued. You can also see here the name, the amount, the balance, the type, and the customer, and then the status as well, and the expiry. And you have all of that information here. Now, to create a new gift card, so someone comes to you and says, "Oh, I want to gift someone 50,000 naira." You just come here, click on New Gift Card. So you can choose to upload an image of the gift card, or alternatively, if you don't, an image will be created for you. So let's just leave this without the image, but you can basically upload one here and make sure that the size of the file is not more than 150 kilobytes. But first thing to do is to name the gift card. So let's say Petra, for example. Then next thing is to pick the customer who is getting the gift card. So you click on this and you can add customer. If the person is not a customer already, you can just add their details by clicking on this button here. But if they're a customer, all you need to do is just find them. So let's say we're looking for Petra. Once you get them, you tick the box and you click on continue. Then you can add a note for the customer. So if the person purchasing the gift card says has a note, you can just add it here. So let's say, for example, happy birthday, Petra. Wishing you an amazing new year ahead. And then that's the message. Then next is to add the amount that the person is buying. So if the person wants to gift them 20k gift card, you just add it here, and there you have it. Then finally is the validity. So do you want the gift card to expire? If you click on yes, then you can set an expiry date. So maybe, for example, you want it to expire at the end of June, you can set that up here. And that means that if the person doesn't claim it before this set date, then the gift card has expired. But if you don't want it to expire and they can come anytime at all, you can just select this option here. Now, note that you can't edit this. So it is very important that you have all the correct information. Otherwise, you would have to create a new one from scratch. Now, once you're done, you click on activate and send. What that does is it sends an email to the customer informing them that they just got a gift card. And that's basically how to create the gift card. So I'm going to show you what the email looks like, and then we're going to try to redeem the gift card on the website so that you see what your customers will see. So here we have it. This is what your customer would get. This would be gift card. You can see, hello Petra, you just received the gift card. This is the amount, and this is the voucher code that they will put in when they are shopping. And then they can see that it doesn't expire. So if there was an expiry date, they would see it here as well. Then once they click on this redeem now button, it takes them to your website and they can immediately shop. And you can finally see the personal note that was added as well. Then there's a small note here that also just gives them a quick guide on how to redeem the gift card. And that's it. So let's see what it looks like when you redeem your gift card. So now we're on the website. Let's see how to apply a gift card. So this is basically how your customers would apply the gift card, and this is what it would look like. So now I'm here. I'm about to shop. I have a gift card. So let's say I select this product and I add it to cart. So now I'm about to check out. So I go to cart and I click on checkout. Now here, this is where your customers will apply their gift card. So it says here, do you got a gift card? Click here to redeem. So once they click here, they can then input the code and click on apply. Now note that before, this is a 20,000 Naira gift card and the total to pay is 10,000 Naira, 10,935 Naira. Now once they click on apply, the gift card is automatically applied and 10,935 Naira has been deducted from their gift card. Now, once they click on place order, they don't have to pay anything here. So you see, total to pay is 0. Now, all they need to do is click on place order and they have redeemed their gift card. And that's pretty much it. That's how to generate a gift card, and it is automatically sent to your customer via email. And once they're ready, they can come and claim it on your website. See you in the next video. Bye.